Welcome to Left-Handed Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3, and this is the Lockpicking Advent Calendar, Day 8. Yes, we made it through the first week of picking a progressively harder lock each day to promote lock sport, grow the community, and have fun while we're doing it. So on days 1 through 6, we pinned this thing up with all standard pins, and on day 7 yesterday, we took out the standard pin in chamber 6 and replaced it with the spool pin. And I've already replaced chamber 1 with the spool pin, which brings us to our slight format change. I realized that I might not be able to pin up a lock and pick it all in one take in any reasonable amount of time, especially for YouTube. So we're going to do a pick, then a gutting at the end, and then we're going to ask our random number generator to pick a new chamber for the following day. So with that said, here's the pick. I'm doing bottom of the keyway tension, and starting in the back, gotta click on 5. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. Gotta click on 6. Got 4. Tiny click on 3. Got 1 on 2. 1 seems springy. Going back. And 3. Beautiful. All right, we got an open, and just to stay true to my word, I will gut the thing and show you that what we have in here is 2 spools, 1 in chamber 1, 1 in chamber 6, and the rest are standards. So after that, we'll ask our random number generator what we should do tomorrow. All right, we got all of them with pens. And let's grab our little pinning mat here. And starting from the front, we got a spool, standard, 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 and spool. All right, and tomorrow, what are we going to do? Let's focus here a little bit. Doing 3. Chamber 3. Okay, so I hope you're liking this month. I hope you're liking these videos. If you do, click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for notifications every time I post a new video. Click subscribe right here in the middle. Over here, click for our introductory video to this month, and click over here for the playlist of all of these videos, and if you have anything to contribute to it, post it down in the comments. Until tomorrow, peace.